The day you understand that the universe is working for you, not against you, the day you understand the universe is always saying yes. Look, the universe is always saying yes. So if you keep on saying, I want money, I want that house, I want that car, you are in a lack mode. You are talking lack. You understand? So the universe will give you want. You will keep on wanting forever, and you will come here and say, but I've been praying, I've been saying my affirmations, I've been speaking, but things are not happening, things are working against me, things are doing this, are doing that. How are you talking? You need to talk in the present tense. I have that house, I have that money, I have money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly every day. I receive money from expected and unexpected sources, from known and unknown sources. I have money. I am a money magnet. Do you understand that? So, but if you keep on saying, I want money, I want food, I want, you need to change how you talk, because the universe is always responding to what you are saying. The universe is always saying yes. It will never say no. It's always working for you, on your behalf, for you, for whatever that you are saying. It's always responding. It's always responding. Change how you talk. Change how you talk and start talking in the present tense, because the universe understands the present tense language. You see, guys, don't talk lack into your life. Don't talk poverty into your life. Speak things into existence. Speak as though they are already there. There was this lady at work when I was still working. She was talking things as if she already have them. We did not understand by that, because I have not started this journey. It's only yesterday, at my age. Only yesterday, it's only I was talking to my children. It's only yesterday I understood what she was doing. She will talk like, my house has a swimming pool, my house has this and that. By then, she was not living in that house. My car is doing this and that. When I press my car, is doing this. When I open the door of my car, it's writing down on the floor the name of my car. We thought she was crazy. She was the most delusional person that I ever met. Her Lulu was on another level. Guys, I look at her today. She's living exactly that. And she's still talking and speaking like that. She still speaks things into existence. You understand that? So try to talk into present tense. Try to say things as if they are already yours. Try